Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So a couple of months ago, one of my subscribers sent me an email. I always leave my contact information, my social media, my email address in the description box. And she sent me an email asking me if I had ever heard of makeup swaps. So if you go on YouTube and you look up makeup swap, right now the big trend is I swapped makeup with my mom, I swapped makeup with my little sister, I swapped makeup with whoever, a friend, whatever. But a few years ago, there was a trend where people were sending each other boxes of makeup. And she asked me if I would be interested in doing something like this. I thought it would be a super cool idea. So thank you, Savannah, for reaching out and contacting me and doing this with me. She is so sweet. We've emailed back and forth quite a few times. I had her send me some pictures so I knew what kind of makeup to get for her, what would be complimentary. She's beautiful. So I was really thrilled, you know, A, to have this suggestion, B, to have somebody who'd be willing to do something like that with me, and C, you know, what a different idea for a video, because I had actually never seen that trend going around a few years ago. I had actually never really seen it, or I missed it somehow. Anyway, great idea. So what we decided to do was she sent me my box first. I've been gathering things in a box for her because I wanted to be able to show you guys what I got for her and what she got for me, and I'm gonna send this off in the post office today. I put it in a BoxyCharm box. So I'm gonna show you first what I got for her because I haven't opened this yet and I wanted to be surprised and I wanted to open it like in front of you guys, but I wanna go through and show you what I got. So she's in the States, I'm here in Canada. The biggest challenge for me was trying to make my money go as far as I could because the Canadian dollar doesn't go very far. So like things that's like, you know, like $1.99 Wet n Wild in the States is like $3.99 here. So we set a $50 limit. Because I had a little bit of extra time, I shopped some sales and I think I got a fair amount of bang for my buck. So I'll show you what I included in her box. So she has like dark hair, dark eyes, and so I decided that I was gonna kind of go with like a plummy, purpley kind of theme. So I wanted to be able to give her as much as I could for a full face without trying to do like concealer, foundation, powder. I mean, that sort of stuff you can't buy for somebody, let alone somebody you've never met before. So, but I tried to include a lot of like everything else that she would need. So, and some favorites, right? So the first thing that I picked up was the Wet n Wild Quad in Petalette. These quads are so good. The quality is amazing. Since they reformulated, they redid the quads and they have sets that I think have like 8 or 10 colors in them. I have a couple of these. They're really good. The quality is good for your money. So these are sort of the purple tones. And you've got your, you know, your transition color and your brow bone color and all that sort of stuff. I didn't get her a highlight, but I thought she could use this brow bone color as a highlight. And then I also picked up, this is like a cult classic, but this is the Wet n Wild Brulee. So this is just like a flesh tone color. It's great for blending. So I thought I would include that together because you could use this like every day of your life. This is so good for blending. And then I picked up a couple of e.l.f. products. So I love the e.l.f. liquid liners. So I picked her up the Precision Liquid Liner. I love this one, and I love the Intense Ink, which is the fat one. I like these ones better than the sort of brush-tipped ones. I like the felt tip ones, so I picked that up. And for mascara, I got her the Essence Lash Princess, which I love. I just finished this one and opened a new one. So I got her all these things for eyes. And then I also picked up, now this is a professional salon brand called Bodyography. This is so pretty. So this is like a loose pigment. This was a little bit more pricey, but because I can get it wholesale, I get it anyway. So I don't want to make a mess, but so it's sealed, but see the pretty purple? So this is the color Comet. So I thought that would be really fun if she wanted to, you know, zhuzh up her sort of plums with more of a purple tone. I also included the cream eyeliner from Bang Beauty. in case she's not big on a liquid. Not everybody is. And I also picked her up, this is a cult classic as well. So this is the e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder. This is the St. Lucia one. This is good on everybody. The bronzer is like not too warm, not too cool. You could contour with it. The blush is like sort of a peachy tone with a little bit of shimmer in it. It's really beautiful. I have used this up numerous times. I don't have it in my collection right now because I did use it up, but I've bought it at least twice, now a third time. So I thought she would really like that. And then the last thing, I wanted to get her something for lips. So these are my favorite of all time of all lip products. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lip colors, and this is the color Lover. This is the color I literally have on right now. I wear this all the time. And I thought, you know, I think it goes well together with everything else. And then I just threw in some samples of like my skincare line that I carry here just for the fun of it, because I thought, why not? They don't weigh anything. Always nice to get, like, I always love to get skincare samples because you might try something that you wouldn't have tried otherwise. So I think I did pretty good as far as getting like lots for the money. I think I've got like a whole, almost a whole look in here for her, which was sort of my end goal. And everything fits really well into this BoxyCharm box. So I'm gonna get that sent out today. I've also got something I've got to send out to my mom, so I'll make a little post office run after work. Now, let's bust into this one that she sent me. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in it. She asked me if I had any like color preferences or anything like that, and I was like, no, like surprise me. Because you guys know, like, I love everything. I can make anything work. So, and I did mention like a couple of brands to her that we don't have here in Canada. So I was like, you know, if you see anything in this or that, then that would be really cool. So get some pink tissue paper in here. Oh, it's sparkly. The little things in life. It matches my beauty expert decor. Okay. Oh, she put everything in a little bag. That's so sweet. Oh, let's get donuts on it. I love that. That's so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. I feel like there's a lot in here. Okay, so we've got a bag. It's got donuts on it. Let's unwrap the first thing. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. I hope she's watching. Okay. Oh, she got me an Essence. She got me an Essence mascara. This is awesome. So this is the I Heart Extreme Volume Mascara. I haven't tried this one. I've been on the Lash Princess train, so I have been meaning to try some other ones. So I'll definitely give that a whirl. Very exciting. This is like the most exciting day. Tomorrow's my birthday. And we've got a lot going on in our lives right now, so my birthday's like not super on the radar. So this is like really making my week. So I hope she knows how much I appreciated this. So, ooh, Milani. Milani was one of the brands that I mentioned to her that we don't have here in Canada. We don't have, where I live in Atlantic Canada, we don't have an Ulta. We don't have Milani, we don't have ColourPop, we don't have, and even our Sephora, like, we don't have the same brands that you guys have in the States. So this is a lipstick. It's called Pretty Natural. Oh, that's a color I'll get a lot of wear out of. Oh, look at that. That's so beautiful. I love those rosy tones. I love that. It feels very, like it feels very creamy, like it would be very hydrating on the lips. Awesome. See, what else do we got? Okay, so this is a Milani Baked Blush. I'm gonna open it. This is like the best day of my freaking life right now. Because I get makeup in the mail, but it's always like BoxyCharm or Ipsy, and I always see spoilers, so I always really, I kind of know what's coming, or I have a good idea of what's coming. I'm trying not to break it, because sometimes I get too excited and I break the packaging. Ooh, it's like a peachy color. So the color is called Luminoso. I've definitely heard of this one before. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, I love peach blushes. I didn't want to put it where the lipstick is. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Yeah, that's gonna be my new favorite. It's gonna be my new favorite blush. I just dropped the little brush out of the bottom of it. So there's a mirror, and you can put a little brush underneath and it flips down. Love that. Love that. That's actually really similar to the St. Lucia blush that I put in her box. I hope she likes everything I got her. It's always like a little bit stressful when you're buying for somebody you don't know and like trying to get the most for your money, you know, so that they're not feeling like, oh, she only got me like 2 things, you know. I hope she likes everything. Ooh, a sponge. I've never seen a sponge like this before. So this is the L'Oreal Blend Artist Infallible Contour Blending Sponge. Okay, this is a really different shape. I've never seen this before. So that's the other thing too. Like I'll watch like videos from like Tati or different people on YouTube and they're like, oh, new at the drugstore, and we just never see it here in Canada. We have like the sort of standard things that are in the lines, but we don't see like new launches necessarily. This is so cool. Look at this. Oh, that's gonna be fun to play with. I'm excited. I've never seen one like that before. Okay, so you can draw your contour and highlight lines using the tip and then blend it out using the flat side. So cool, so cool. She put a lot in here. Oh my gosh. What else did she get? She put a Wet n Wild palette in here as well. This one is actually, I don't have this one. I actually don't know if I've ever seen this one here in Canada. I have the something, it's like the Road to Rose or something like that. I have that one and I love it. So thank you so much. I'm excited to try this one. I love a warm tone look. You guys know that. What a fun bag of tricks. Ooh, more Milani. Ooh, a powder foundation. That even looks like it'll be a good match for me. So it says Even Touch Powder Foundation. There it is. I feel like that's a pretty darn good match. It says Velvety Soft, Lightweight, Medium Coverage Powder Foundation. Awesome. Love that. Love a compact. Very excited to try that. I've never ever tried anything Milani, so that's going to be really fun just to give that a whirl because I see so many good things about it. Oh, I've been wanting to try this too. I've been looking for it, but I haven't seen it. At our drugstore where they have the Essence stuff, it's literally like a tiny little end cap, and it's like a half, like the bottom half of like a tiny end cap. That's what they have for Essence. So this is the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Mascara. So I've heard that this is really good. It has little fibers that'll sort of fill in your brows. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't even wait. I'm literally filming on my phone and using it as a mirror now. Oh my gosh. I'm living my very best life right now, you guys. I hope she's watching and sees how excited I am. Oh my gosh, love this. There's a lot in here. I feel like I wish I would have been able to get her more stuff. Stupid Canadian dollar. Ooh, ColourPop. See, she really listened when I was like, we don't have Milani or ColourPop here. If you know, could find anything there. So this is the Ultra Matte Lip, and this color is More Better. It's a beautiful sort of berry color. Ooh, it's a beautiful berry. Oh, that is so pretty. I'll definitely wear that. That's like right in my wheelhouse of colors that I love. I love the berry tones. I'm trying not to make this like a super long video for you guys. Oh my gosh. There's like a whole palette in here. Oh my gosh. So this is the Milani Gilded Desires palette. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. Should I go over budget and go back and buy her more things? She did so good. She got me so much good stuff. Oh my gosh, I love this. There's another palette in here. I love her. Oh my gosh. There's 2 more things in here. Oh, these are like water transfers for your nails. These are so fun. I have different ones of these, but I don't actually have any flowers, so I'm actually going to keep these at the salon. These are great. They're super fun. There's a whole nother palette in here, you guys. This is, oh, I've been wanting this. So this is the Dream Street Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collab palette. I love Kathleen Lights. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. I always watch for her BoxyCharm videos because hers always come out before mine. So I always watch for hers for like a sneak peek. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my goodness. So I just want to say like a ginormous thank you to Savannah for asking me to do this, for being subscribed, for watching my videos, for trusting me, for sending me this package and trusting me to send you one in addition. I just, from the bottom of my heart, this was so special to me. I hope you can see how excited I was about everything. I hope that you like everything that comes in your box. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Such a cute idea, so much fun. If you like this, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.